Today I want to show you this small parcel from eBay. It's even with a box. I didn't expect that box packed in a box. And here's more instruction, whether you can see it. And here's also a picture. And this is the item. Can you guess what this is? This is actually a cable clip. I've seen many cable clips on internet, but most of them they are using self-adhesive stuff. You can stick it on the table, and this one is clipping at the table. I thought then I can move to other places anytime. Let's try it out. So the idea of this clip is, for example, if you got a cable attached to your laptop, if you are not using it, then you detach it, then it will drop to the back of the desk. And every time you have to fish the cable out from the back. And how this clip work is, because my desk is quite thick, and I can use here, I can clip it at the desk, then push the cable here. So I can push up to 3 cables here. In the future I will move it, then the cable will be here. It won't drop to the back. That's the idea. Okay, now I want to show you if your tabletop is thin. And I'm doing this video after many weeks I've done the other one, and I would want to show you is what's happening with my clip. Is now it doesn't close anymore, so but it's still working well on my desk. The tabletop is now very thin, so it's basically not doing its job. Luckily that we got the other side here, that curve is smaller, so I can clip it like this for the tabletop. Now what you also can do is for this double side of the clip, you can clip the cable here, and on the other side clip it like this, so you can put the cable away under your desk. This is quite nice. Okay, my verdict. The quality of the clip is quite nice. Here is plastic, and this side you can see is bouncing back. But as you can see, after I've clipped it at my desk for a few months, I think, and it's starting giving away. Now it's not closing, but you can expect it like a metal clip. And it's just a plastic, and here is rubber, and you can tuck the cable here easily. And as long as it's not slipping at my desk, it's still holding there, I'm quite happy. If you have the situation you need a cable clip, and I can recommend this. It's not too expensive. I'm happy with it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.